7:16 Michigan this morning. Manufacturing Day is a call for future generations to consider a career in modern manufacturing.
The event is celebrated tomorrow in Grand Traverse County with help from Northwestern Michigan College. But today, Jenny and Stephanie are giving us a preview live at Tentcraft in Traverse City. Good morning, Jenny.
Hey Caroline, good morning Adam. Yeah, right now we're hanging out in the CNC machine room, and I have to say normally when we talk to principals sometimes we're concerned that we're in trouble. Let me introduce you to the assistant principal, Traverse City East Middle School. Hey there. Hi. Marcus. Yeah. Almost called you Mr. Mead.
That's okay.
Marcus, with your students coming here tomorrow, tell me, why did you think it was important that you yank them out of the classroom and you bring them here?
Oh, well, I think that the connection between what we're teaching them in the classroom and what they can do with that in careers like this is very important. So anytime we can bring the curriculum to life, we can give kids experiences using the math and the science that we're teaching them, it's definitely a win-win.
Yeah, and so are the students prepped at all leading up to this day? Anything specific with the curriculum that makes sense in bringing them to Manufacturing Day?
Sure. Well, to get them ready for the field trip, we spend a lot of time meeting together in small groups or as a big group talking about expectations. And the students at East Middle School really treat this like a job interview. They're coming in here to build relationships and make a really good first impression, because I've told them that in 4 years or 6 years when you come back for that interview, they may remember you if you're making a good impression.
Good point. And you just ran into one of your previous students.
I did. So I ran into a student that I had in class at a different district at Kingsley about 10 years ago, and he said, Mr. Mead. Wow, okay. And ironically, it was a computer class, and here he is running one of the most expensive machines, printing out the tents here at Tentcraft. And I said, well, I could completely see that. So those seeds of technology were planted back in middle school, and that's why the middle school is such a good age to bring kids on a field trip like this, is to really get them thinking, and then the opportunities that come up later, like the Simon Tech program at Central High School or the Career Tech Center, NMC, that they have a direction to go.
Absolutely, and a great way to keep our students local too. Sometimes they feel like, well, I can't stay at home with my family and this culture that I love. I have to go further away. No, great opportunities for careers right here in the Grand Traverse region and all across northern Michigan. And that's what we're showing off on Manufacturing Day. Guys, we got to run because we're taking you to another spot that the students will tour tomorrow, so we'll see you in a half hour. These things are fogging up. We'll see you then.
I don't know, maybe she might need to take those with her.
Yes, very true.
Manufacturing Day, to protect those eyes. We'll hear more from Jenny, like she said, in just about half an hour from another place of manufacturing in Traverse City. But right now it is 7:18 on Michigan This Morning.